Oh, a few things please me more than a singing parrot, or at least a parrot who tries to sing. From San Jose, California, please welcome Yah-kee and her trainer, Julie Cardoza. I would love to sing with her.
The song Rockabye
What
Baby.
key is this in?
I don't know, B? Oh, what do you think? Okay.
Birdie, birdie, birdie. Just let me...
Oh, look, she's looking at
you. Birdie.
If you say tweet, tweet, Yah-kee, she'll probably do it.
Tweet, tweet,
Yeah,
Yah-kee?
say tweet, 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 Yah-kee.
Tweet, tweet. Birdie.
When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the rain, the cradle will fall. Down will come, cradle, and
She can sing for us too.